Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to install Android 14 launcher on your any Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install Android 14 launcher on any Android phone, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to open the Play Store, then search for Android 14 style launcher. Then tap on this search option. You can see Android 14 style launcher. Then tap on this. Then tap to install. After completion of this, just tap to open. You can see guys, now my Android phone look has been changed. You have to give access to this application, then go back. You can see we have launched Android 14 launcher in my Android phone. That's it guys. So in this way you can launch Android 14 launcher on any Android phone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.